Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to transfer files from iOS and your Android devices to desktop computer and desktop to your iOS and Android devices. Without any data cable, even if you're far from Kisi, doesn't matter, you can do it either. So let's start the steps. Open search engine, type send anywhere in the search bar, press enter. You will find the first link on the top. Click on it, select send button, select any file you want to share with your phone to PC. And press send button. You have to wait a while because it's a free version. You have to wait for 5 seconds to skip the ad. Now go to the phone, select send anywhere app, and you can type the barcode or you can type the number and select the barcode as you want. And file is sharing. Now the receipt process is same but in reverse. Just select the send button from the phone and you will find a code. Let me select the file what I want to share. Just a second guys.